Alright, this is how to change the dial tone on here. So, on a normal phone, it should sound like this. But on here, it sounds like this. This is how to do that. So first you go into the web interface. And under here you want to go to admin login, advanced, then regional, then you want to edit these numbers. So let's say I want it to be of 480 and 600 hertz. I can put those numbers in, go down, and hit submit all changes. Give it a second. And now on the phone, it's a different frequency. And that is how you customize the dial tone.